G'day, John Bower here on Gray's Classic Cars, and this is a car very close to my heart. I was very involved with the development team at Ford Performance Vehicles. This is a BF GT that spent most of its life in a garage undercover. So let's have a look around it. This is truly like brand new. This is like it just left the showroom. So read my lips, 2,958 kilometres since brand new, a BF. I was very involved with the FPV team then, the road car team, not the race team. And these are truly a fabulous car. Brembo brakes, 290 kilowatt Boss quad cam engine. It's bionic blue, beautiful colour for a Ford. Couldn't get any better than bionic blue for a Ford. This car still smells new, honestly. Comes with all the FPV compendium that you used to get if you bought an FPV car back in those days. This was Ford Australia and Ford Performance Vehicle at its finest. It's a shame that we've lost all this industry now, in my view, but these were a great Australian road car, and this is a chance to buy one that's as good as new. So have a look at Gray's Classic Cars online. Very soon this bionic blue Falcon GT BF under 3,000 kilometres will be live. So if you want to get something special and you're a Ford man, you couldn't do better than this one.
If you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.